Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. We had in-house production sleeveless A-line top plus a worked jacket. Same color contrast embroidery worked jacket pattern. This is black, red and green color floral motifs all over very special jacket. This is detachable. This is sleeveless plain sleeveless A-line with jacket without jacket styling inside A-line cut with jacket price is 1,395. 15 working days in dispatching Indo-Western designer beautiful light color combination in-house price. Next color is red wine, maroonish wine color. That's the color embroidery colors develop. Beautiful red wine tone, detachable jacket. Nalla fittings in-house designer. Best range 1,395. 15 working days dispatching. This color is dark purple, perfect purple wine tone. We have jackets embroideries. That is common color. Color. For example, we have purple in lavender color flowers. So, colorful jackets are available in-house. 15 working days dispatch date. Next color is nude brown, metallic nude brown and metallic brown tone. Beautiful brown, dark coffee brown and metallic colors fusion. I designer wear look budget range item launch long jacket with A-line top 1,395. Next color is teal blue tone, bright type teal color. This is embroidery combinations are super color combinations. This is special detached shrug, long shrug, long jacket, A-line top with jacket price is 1,395. Try it. Next color is dusty green. Green green and red floral pattern embroidery. Classy and elegant color combinations. We have in-house. We mission embroidered jacket. We operate a mission work. So, that's the finishing. These shades. Next one is metallic mauve tone. The shrug the bolata. Metallic mauve tone. This is mauve color lavender, green, and fusion. Top with jacket in the price of and final one. This is a special onion pink, dusty pink, gorgeous onion pink tone. Fusions are 15 ദിവസത്തിന് ശേഷമാണ് ഇതിന്റെ dispatching തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ in-house ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ fittings അടിപൊളിയാണെന്ന് എനിക്ക് highly confident ആയിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റും. മിസ് ചെയ്യരുത്, try ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക.